Hello, this is Alvin Bailey, and we're going to have another one of my money chats. Today, I'm with my friend Dee Cawthon, and he's got some questions about cryptocurrencies and our Bitcoin. So, Dee, what can I help you with?
Alvin, as you well know, I didn't save when I should have when I was younger. So I'm late to the game. But I've got it figured out. To make up for ground, to really accelerate what I've got, I'm going to buy some Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. And you are well aware that it was $37,000 not that long ago. I think it's around $10,000 now. So I've got to get into it and make some quick cash to make up the ground. But what do you think about cryptocurrency?
No. Cryptocurrencies.
But I've got to make up ground, Alvin.
Yeah, well, and we can probably have another conversation about how you're going to create some additional resources, but cryptocurrencies, and specifically Bitcoin, are certainly a large part of the conversation in finance circles these days. But I'm going to start with, at its most basic level, it is another currency. Just like you've got US dollar bills, euro, you've got the Chinese yuan. These are all currencies that trade between each other. And any currency, not just Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, they don't really, the only way you make money is sort of the difference between the various markets. So you take your dollars and you buy these other currencies, and they go up, they go down. But there's not, unlike a company which generates income, really the only way you make any money is from the trade between it going up and going down. And that's a very difficult game. You alluded to, about 2 years ago, that thing was, Bitcoin was up at $25,000, $30,000, and then it went all the way down to $4,000. And now it's come back to around 10 as we're recording this. Well, that's a lot of movement, and your ability to get in and out of Bitcoin or any currency is going to be it's a trader's game, and you have to be really focused on how you're going to work that. It's very speculative, usually very highly leveraged. And then there's the whole problem of Bitcoin doesn't really exist except as a distributed ledger that's run on a bunch of computers, and it's actually banned in several countries. And all in all, it's just a very difficult area to be in. I think that if you're trying to make lots of money in the short term, we might as well go on up to Choctaw and spin a couple of wheels of roulette and see if that works out for you, because it's probably much the same. Bitcoin currencies, these are highly speculative, deep into the pool, and it's probably just as much fun to pull on a slot machine as to get involved in those, unless you have just a very, very deep knowledge of those markets.
Well, that's discouraging.
Well, I think it's, sometimes it's as important to know what doorways not to open as it is to, what are the best paths for the future. This is Alvin Bailey. Thank you for listening to our Money Chat.